So you're already managing domains at 3 different providers: Cloudflare, Route 53, and GoDaddy. Now, because of an expansion, you pick up domains that are at DigitalOcean. Now, if you're not that excited about learning another provider tool, let me show you what a ResourceIT user would do instead. Click on Providers and click Add Provider. Enter a name and select the provider from the list. Because each provider is unique, we provide a help dialog to guide you through gathering the necessary information for that provider. Once configured, just click Add to add the provider. Regardless of who the provider is, the edit process in ResourceIT is always the same. You edit the records in ResourceIT and then sync it to the provider. Now let's look at domain renewals. On the Renewals tab, you see every domain with its expiration date, auto-renewal status, and data source. ResourceIT verifies expiration dates 3 ways: directly from the registrar API, RDAP, or Whois, and flags any discrepancies. You can set alert for 30 days, 14, 7, 3, and 1 day before expiry, so a domain never lapses unexpectedly. If you're managing DNS across multiple providers and want to see all of your domains and their providers in a single pane of glass, or make sure all of your domains never expire without warning, check out ResourceIT.com.